I am looking for site number 19, which I believe, from memory, if serves me correctly, is on around this curve here, and then I'll back in. I will leave a link in the description below about this campground. It is pretty nice. And I'm almost to my site. Yes! There it is. Very cool. Oh, they put grills in. They didn't have a grill the last time I was here, I don't believe. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna put you guys down and back into my site here, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. All right, and here we are in our humble abode for the evening. Campsite number 19 here at Standing Stone State Park, I believe is what it's called. But anyway, we'll walk back out here and I'll show you guys what it looks like from the little street here. So, but sun's about to go down. As you can see, it's back here behind me. It's on its way down, so I'm going to try to get a fire going here pretty quick. Feels great out here. Weather, couldn't ask for better camping weather. So, but anyway, here we are. Got the truck backed in. Gonna get the firewood out and then get my food cooking. So I'll see you guys here in a little while. So, gotcha. So, there is a fire pit. It is right here, as you can see, and it is full. So I don't have a shovel, but I do have a paddle. So I'm going to try to clear that out a little bit, because I'm not going to build a fire in that and try to cook anything on top of that. So let's get going on that. That wicked. Anyway, while the fire gets going, go ahead and I guess start getting the food prepped. Shouldn't take me just a few minutes to get that done, but and then we'll throw that on the fire and get that going, because I am so freaking hungry. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay, so the GoPro overheated because it was right behind the fire. Rookie mistake on my part, but I've got my big camera out. Got the steak on the table. There it is, and the fire is firing. I lowered the grate just a little bit so I can put it on there, but I've got some potatoes, some aluminum foil, tin foil, that I'm going to throw those in with some butter, sprinkle a little Tony Chachere's in there, lay those right next to the steak, let the steak cook, let the potatoes cook, and then of course eat said steak and potatoes. But yeah, Really like this campsite. I like this campground. I'm gonna try to make a few more videos here, or maybe not a few more videos, but at least a few more stops down here. It's 2 hours and 45 minutes from my house. So yeah, that's kind of a distance to drive for a campsite, but I'm only 15 minutes from Del Hollow Lake too, so bonus. But anyway, I'm gonna quit babbling. I'm gonna go ahead and get my food rocking and rolling so I can eat before it gets too much later, and then might watch a movie. Peace, y'all. Full disclosure, I'm really excited to hear the sizzle of that steak when it hits that that grate. Okay, don't judge me, y'all. This is a huge steak, but you can judge me. Just leave your comments below of the judgment that is taking place right now. Okay, so I have got some shaky picnic table. I've got some tinfoil, and I'm going to drop the potatoes in the tinfoil with some butter and some Tony Salcheries. And yes, I'm going to put all the potatoes in here because why not? I wanted to bring fresh potatoes, but I knew I was getting here so late tonight that I wouldn't have time to actually prep fresh potatoes. So Kroger brand frozen red skin potatoes. So that's what we're working with. Little Tonys. I like a lot of Tonys. I know I said a little, but hey, whatever. Alright, cool. And some butter. And by some, I mean about that much. Not gonna hurt anything. But probably will. Who knows? So, alright. Now then, we're going to attempt to fold this up and get it on the fire over there. I have more aluminum foil, or tin foil. Leave a comment down below and let me know, do you say tin foil or aluminum foil? I kind of use both interchangeably. Grew up my whole life saying tin foil, and then I don't know what changed. I guess I just started reading it and saying, oh, that's aluminum foil. So, anyway. All right. Looks all right, yeah? We'll see. Let's flip that steak. It's about time, I think. Oh, yeah. I burned it a little bit. Charred it. I think I might have messed my steak up. But that's okay. I'm not used to cooking over wood. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cook. I'll see you guys in a little while. Alright, steak is coming along fairly nicely there. So I'm gonna give the potatoes a little bit more time, and then I'm gonna chow down. Just want to say thank you to everyone out there for watching. I know I'm sporadic on uploads rather. You know, just trying to see where this thing takes me. I enjoy doing this, and hey, if I hit a ton of subscribers, cool. If not, you know, hey, that's cool too. It gets me out, keeps me occupied, gives me something to do every now and then, and I have fun doing it. You know, so I get to come out here and chill out in the outdoors, and I record it and I share it with you guys. So it is what it is. I appreciate every single one of you. I think my food's almost done. I'm gonna crack in on this. I'll see you guys when I start eating. Peace and cheers. All right, let's take a look at this. Alrighty, let's cut our taters open. Hopefully these are, ouch, yep, there they are. Awesome. Let's rip them open. And I'll just eat them right out of the aluminum foil. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Let's give the potatoes a try. They are cold. Some of them. That's okay. They taste fantastic though. I don't want that in my mouth. Alright. Let's see how the steak did. My buddy Chris just texted me. Said, eat it barehanded. No. But maybe. That's good stuff. Oh no! Oh well. You guys don't want to sit here and watch me eat, so I'm gonna knock this out, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Peace. Alright guys, dinner was great. Probably one of the better steaks I've ever had, and I'm not even joking about that. But I also cooked it, so I'm kind of biased. But anyway, I'm gonna sit here, chill out by the fire, drink a beer, watch a movie. I downloaded Justin Timberlake flick. It's called In Time. I'm not really sure what it's about. All I know is they have these digital readouts on their wrist, and it shows how much time they have left, I guess, to live. But anyway, and that's how they pay for things. So there's my synopsis of it. So anyway, I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys when I get back to the truck. Peace. Alright guys, the fire's pretty much gone out. Well, it has gone out. Not pretty much, but anyway, I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day. I'm gonna go ahead and climb in the truck, get some sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning, bright and early, to go fishing. Peace. Hey, good morning guys. Just like I promised, back at it bright and early this morning, heading over to the ramp. Gonna meet up with Chris and do a little fishing this morning before we head over to Burkesville to meet up with the rest of the Kayaks and More team. And stay tuned and enjoy the show. Peace, y'all. Put a little smallmouth. Nothing giant. But I'll take it. What do you folks with me? You good? Alright. Look at that. Got us a Dale Hollow smallmouth. Swing you guys around here. Yeah, not bad. He's not giant by any means, but he was fun to catch. So yeah, we'll go ahead and let him go. Cool. All right, well, we got one. I didn't take a picture like a dummy, but I got it on video, and I pulled my camera around and like, hey, look at this fish, blah 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 blah, plop. So I have proof that I did catch one. I bet the river is on fire today. Well, I'm getting lit up by whatever those are. But they're just not, I don't think they're big enough to take it. That's funny. Out here in this. All right, so that's gonna wrap this one up. Chris and me are all done on the water for now. We may go back out tonight, but we're gonna head over to Burkesville, meet up with Kim and Tony from Kayaks and More and the rest of the team. Get set up for the festival, and thanks for watching. Join me next time as we wade through this adventure of life right here on Wade's Outdoor Adventures. Peace, y'all.